Okay, so let's talk about the assignment that gave you so much trouble, the one on Thursday, I think the 29th. So rotating a figure. Um, I will do some of them until you get the idea. So we are going to rotate this polygon 180 degrees. So my final figure should be somewhere here on the top. So step number one, draw a circle center on the center of rotation, the yellow one, in a way that it goes through any of the vertices. So any vertex is good. Let's say, for example, let's take this one right here, okay? So I took this one down on the left. Now, draw a line through the yellow center and the vertex. So from the yellow center through the vertex. Good. Now they want me to draw the perpendicular. Now, in order to draw the perpendicular, you need to understand what is the slope of this line. For example, from 0, 0 all the way down, we go down 8 and 1 to the right. We go down 8 and 1 to the right. So that would be -8. So you need to flip the -8 into +8. So now this one, the perpendicular line, instead of going this way down, should be go this way. So pay close attention to this. So this yellow point going down is going 8 down and 1 to the right. So now you're going 8 to the right and 1 up. So that's the 90 degree. Now they want to rotate this yellow point, this, I'm sorry, the red one will go 180 to the right. This is 90 and this is 180. So one more time, let me go back. Now you go either to the right or you can go to the left. It doesn't really matter. So you go like this. This is 90 and then this is 180. You let it go and you're done. So look at the coordinates. This one down here is 1, -8, and this one over here is -1, 8. So what happened? What happened there? They changed the sign of the coordinate. So this is -1 and this one is 8. So this one should be -7 and changing only the sign on every number. So the 5 would become -5 and the -2 would become 2. This is -4 and this is +3. And then this is -1 and this is 1. And we are ready. That's what it is. Now let's do another one. They are all the same. So they want you to draw a circle from the yellow point through any of the vertices. Let's say we take this one over here. Now pay attention to the coordinates. This point over here, the vertex is at -3, 1. Now the next step is to draw the line through the center like this, right? Good. And now we go for the perpendicular. If this one is 3 to the left and 1 down, this one should be 3 up and 1 to the left, like this. So one more time. This line should be perpendicular to the other one. So if you do it like this, they're not perpendicular. If you do it like this, they're not perpendicular. They are perpendicular here. Okay? So now you have over here 90, right? This is 180, this is 270, and this is 360. This is going against the clock. But now they have 270 in favor of the clock. So that would be 90 here, 180, and 270. That's it. Now look at the coordinates. -1 and -3, 1, -3, 1 up here is becoming 1, -3. So -3, -1 is becoming 1, -3. Now look at the coordinates, what happened? The second number is moving to the front with the opposite sign. So this one is moving to the front, this 4 is moving to the front, this 6 is moving to the front, and this 5. Now look at the second coordinate down here. The -3 was in the front and is now in the back. So this one will be -8, this one will be -4, this one will be -3, and this one will be -8. And that's it. Oh, this one over here is -8. Okay, let's do one more, the last one. This is the last one. So you go from the 0, 0 through any vertex. Let's take this one. Coordinates of this point, 1, 6, 1, 6. Now let's go through and let's draw the line, right, through here. Now let's draw the perpendicular. If this is 1, 6, I need to go 6 to the right and 1 down. Good, that would be. And now we need to go 90 degrees against the clock, like this. Done. Now look at the coordinates. The point here is 1, 6. And that point here is now -6, 1. So 1, 6 is now -6, 1. So what happened with the second coordinate? The 6 changed sign and moved to the front. And the 1 is moving to the back. So this 4 is moving to the back. This 8 is moving to the back, like this 5 and this 2. And the 3 is now moving to the front with the opposite sign. And this one will be -8. End of story. Okay. Hopefully this one will be good.